Are you looking for the best dishwashing gloves? Dishwashing gloves are a small but essential part of kitchen hygiene and comfort. They protect skin from harsh detergents, hot water, and prolonged moisture exposure, while also improving grip and reducing fatigue during extended cleaning tasks. With a wide range of materials, linings, thicknesses, and cuff designs, choosing the right pair can impact hand health, task accuracy, and longevity of the gloves themselves.
Product number 1. Inspire Black Nitrile Gloves. Overview. Inspire's heavy-duty nitrile gloves are designed for chemical resistance and durability, with a thickness of 6 mm intended for more demanding cleaning tasks. They are disposable, offering a no-reuse workflow for high-contamination tasks or medical or cooking environments where cross-contamination risk is a concern. The black color helps mask stains and signals a professional industrial-grade product. The packaging and branding emphasize chemical resistance and all-around reliability for tough cleaners. Performance and use. In practice, these 6 mm nitrile gloves provide excellent tear resistance and abrasion tolerance when handling harsh cleaners, hot water tasks, and greasy pots, while maintaining flexibility for dexterous tasks. The black color can conceal grime, which is convenient for frequent use. However, as a disposable product, they do not offer the insulation or reusability of thicker rubber options, and some users may perceive a slight stiffness at the fingertips compared to lighter nitrile blends. Best use cases include professional cleaning, automotive or workshop tasks, and food prep contexts where chemical exposure is high. Care should be taken to avoid overwear in order to prevent micro tears during heavy scrubbing.
Product number 2. Rubber Kitchen Dishwashing. Overview. Bamloom's 4-pack features natural rubber gloves with a soft, skin-friendly interior and a non-slip embossed grip. The set includes 4 colors and emphasizes multi-purpose use beyond dishwashing, including household tasks and light DIY work. The lining is described as soft, with planting velvet inside to improve comfort and moisture absorption, aiming to minimize fatigue during longer cleaning sessions. Performance and use. The non-slip granulated palm and finger texture helps secure grip on wet, soapy, or greasy items, which is particularly beneficial for washing dishes with slippery pans or handling glassware. The flexible rubber and lightweight designs support extended wear, but the natural rubber material may emit an initial odor that improves with airing. The 4-color packaging aids task organization, and the gloves' versatility makes them suitable for gardening or pet care as well. A potential drawback is color fading with repeated chemical exposure and the possibility of latex sensitivity in some users.
Product number 3. Rubber Cleaning Gloves. Overview. Sci-Fank offers 4-pair reusable rubber gloves with a flocked lining for easy donning and added comfort. The embossed anti-slip surface, natural rubber composition, and unisex sizing are designed for broad household cleaning use, including dishwashing and bathroom tasks. The set aims to balance comfort with practical grip and durability, while the flocked interior contributes to moisture management during extended wear. Performance and use. The glove's embossed palm and finger texture provide a secure grip on wet or slippery items, which is beneficial when handling greasy pots or delicate glass. The flocked lining helps wick away moisture and reduces hand sweat during longer cleaning sessions. They're designed to be durable and resistant to common household cleaners, making them a reliable all-around choice for daily chores. Some users may notice a slight fit variation due to unisex sizing and the need to select the right size, M.
Product number 4. 4 pairs rubber kitchen. Overview. JC Oha's budget-friendly 4-pack emphasizes waterproof latex household gloves with non-slip and flexible properties. The set targets everyday kitchen and bathroom cleaning tasks, offering a practical balance of cost and utility for light to moderate cleaning needs. The packaging highlights a straightforward solution for households seeking a dependable, multi-use glove option at an affordable price. Performance and use. The glove's non-slip design and flexible latex bring reliable grip and dexterity for routine dishwashing and cleaning. They're well suited for users who prioritize budget without sacrificing function. However, the latex-based composition may be less durable under heavy, repeated abrasion or exposure to stronger solvents compared with nitrile alternatives. These gloves are ideal for casual users, light cleaners, or families with frequent but moderate cleaning tasks.
Product number 5. O-Cedar Playtex Gloves Living. Overview. Playtex combines a premium triple-layer protection approach, latex, neoprene, nitrile, with a drip-catch cuff and textured grip in a 4-pack. These gloves are designed for high-activity cleaning sessions with a focus on comfort, durability, and splash protection. The cotton flock lining adds softness and warmth for longer wear, while the multi-layer composition targets resilience in hot water and varied cleaners. Performance and use. The triple-layer construction improves resistance to tearing and chemical exposure, making them suitable for frequent dishwashing, kitchen tasks, and light DIY work. The extra-long cuffs help prevent water from running down sleeves, which is a notable usability feature for taller users or busy kitchens. The embossed grip and cotton lining balance comfort with performance, though the price point sits higher, reflecting the blend of materials and perceived premium status. These gloves are ideal for heavy users who want reusability, warmth from the lining, and strong grip across wet and slippery items.